So this video is because I just did an unboxing of the Circa sampling kit. And I was trying out the different papers to assemble this Circa system. And then I tried my Filofax paper from a different notebook, from the refillable notebook system, on the Circa system. And it didn't really work. It was too tight. So because the openings for the Circa are a lot larger. So I decided I have a Circa portable punch. Why don't I try to see if I punch out the paper, whether I can make the Filofax paper fit in the Circa notebook. So just to show you, this is the Filofax paper, which I really like. It's a thicker paper. I'm trying to put it into, it does snap in without a problem, but it's a little bit tough to move over the disc. It's too tight. So I will try to use the punch that I ordered from Circa. And I bought this in order to customize my papers for the Filofax system. This was the only punch I had found, and it was compatible because I guess because the papers from Circa fit in the Filofax. So now, without getting too confusing, I will put the Filofax into the Circa punch and see if I can make those little holes fit the Circa. I don't know. I'm hoping. So let's try. I think I put them in the correct area. This little Circa punch is great because you can accommodate it for really tiny, like the junior size, smaller size. I guess this would be compact size, and then the whole letter size. So it looks like it made the holes possibly in the correct place. Not so well aligned. I guess you would really have to get good lining. But let me just see if it still works. Oh, it does. Obviously, it doesn't come out very easily, even though I made the holes a little bit too large. It does work. You'll just have to make sure that you line it up well where the other holes are so that you can get a perfect punch out. Really neat. I'm super excited. Thank you. I hope this helps.